How to looks. Max. Step-by-step guide. Appearances maxing is the notion of maximizing one's appearance in every manner possible, similar to upgrading a video game character by assigning points to enhance the appearance's stat. In real life, people have varied amounts of natural beauty, with some being naturally blessed and others having to work harder to improve their looks. Level 1. Building a strong foundation skincare routine. Embarking on a basic skincare routine is the initial step, utilizing endorsed products like CeraVe, Cetaphil, La Roche-Posay, or The Ordinary. The foundational approach involves selecting from these reputable brands, ensuring simplicity in skincare practices. By opting for uncomplicated yet effective products, individuals can lay the groundwork for a consistent and manageable skincare routine. These renowned brands provide a range of options, catering to different skin types and needs. The emphasis on simplicity underscores the importance of using trusted and dermatologist-recommended products to establish a routine that is both accessible and beneficial for skin health. This introductory skincare regimen serves as a fundamental building block in the broader journey towards enhancing one's appearance and fostering skin well-being. Clean diet. Cultivating a wholesome dietary approach involves integrating nutrient-dense foods into one's eating habits. This entails the inclusion of whole foods such as fruits, vegetables, lean meats, and complex carbohydrates. The emphasis is on incorporating these nutritionally rich elements into daily meals, promoting a balanced and health-conscious diet. By opting for whole foods, individuals prioritize the consumption of unprocessed and natural sources of nutrition, contributing to their overall well-being. The diverse spectrum of fruits and vegetables offers a broad range of vitamins and minerals, while lean meats provide essential proteins. Complex carbohydrates derived from sources like whole grains further enhance the nutritional profile, offering sustained energy. This commitment to a clean diet underscores the significance of making mindful choices in food selection, fostering a diet abundant in essential nutrients, and promoting a holistic approach to personal health. In essence, embracing a diet centered around whole foods establishes a foundation for nutritional excellence and supports the pursuit of a healthier lifestyle. Workout routine. Forge a consistent exercise regimen by creating a structured workout routine within a gym setting, with a focus on either upper-lower or push-pull split workouts. The pivotal aspect of this approach lies in establishing a systematic plan for physical activity tailored to individual preferences and fitness goals. Opting for an upper-lower split involves dividing workout sessions between upper body and lower body exercises, providing targeted attention to distinct muscle groups. Similarly, embracing a push-pull split workout segregates exercises based on pushing and pulling movements, ensuring a comprehensive approach to strength training. This deliberate choice in workout structure aims to optimize muscle development and overall fitness by strategically organizing exercises to enhance efficiency and effectiveness. Whether engaging in upper, lower, or push-pull routines, the emphasis is on cultivating a consistent and well-rounded workout regimen, fostering progress and endurance. By tailoring the gym routine to specific splits, individuals can tailor their fitness journey to meet their unique preferences, contributing to a more fulfilling and targeted approach to physical well-being. Level 2. Hair and facial hair. Hair routine. Initiate a hair care regimen by employing mild shampoo and conditioner, incorporating the option of enhancing hair health with the addition of rosemary oil. The foundational principle here is to adopt a gentle approach to hair cleansing and conditioning. Opting for a mild shampoo ensures that the cleaning process is effective without causing undue stress to the hair. Likewise, the use of a nourishing conditioner contributes to maintaining the hair's health, with an additional suggestion to explore the benefits of rosemary oil. This aromatic oil is proposed as a potential supplement due to its purported positive impacts on hair thickness and scalp nourishment. The incorporation of rosemary oil aligns with the goal of fostering optimal hair health. This approach to hair care prioritizes simplicity and natural elements, recognizing the significance of gentle cleansing and nourishment for maintaining vibrant and healthy-looking hair. By embracing a thoughtful hair routine that includes these elements, individuals can contribute to the overall well-being and appearance of their hair, aligning with a strategy that is both effective and mindful. Haircut. Embark on a journey of self-expression by trying out diverse hairstyles and experimenting with styling products such as lightweight pomade or sea salt spray. This approach advocates for exploration and discovery in the realm of personal grooming. By encouraging individuals to experiment with various haircuts, the emphasis lies on embracing a dynamic and adaptable approach to one's appearance. The suggestion to incorporate styling products like lightweight pomade or sea salt spray underscores the importance of enhancing the versatility of hairstyles. Lightweight pomade offers a subtle and flexible hold, allowing for easy styling without excessive weight or stiffness. Similarly, sea salt spray provides a textured and beachy aesthetic, contributing to a more relaxed and tousled look. This call for experimentation not only promotes creativity in personal style, but also acknowledges the transformative power of hairstyle choices and styling products in shaping one's overall image. Ultimately, the recommendation to explore diverse hairstyles and styling options invites individuals to tailor their look to their preferences, fostering a sense of individuality and confidence in their personal presentation. Scalp health. Prioritize the well-being of your scalp by employing a scalp brush for exfoliation and addressing dandruff through suitable treatments. This commitment to scalp health involves a proactive approach to cleansing and maintaining the condition of the scalp. Utilizing a scalp brush for exfoliation emphasizes the importance of regular and gentle removal of dead skin cells and impurities from the scalp. This practice contributes to a cleaner and healthier scalp environment, promoting optimal hair growth. Simultaneously, addressing dandruff concerns underscores the need for targeted treatments tailored to specific scalp conditions. This recommendation recognizes the diverse nature of scalp issues and advocates for a strategic approach to treatment. By acknowledging the presence of dandruff and taking appropriate measures, individuals can actively work towards a healthier and more comfortable scalp. The combination of exfoliation with a scalp brush and targeted treatments for dandruff aligns with the goal of maintaining scalp health and fostering an environment conducive to vibrant and thriving hair. In essence, this approach seeks to enhance overall hair and scalp well-being through thoughtful and specific care practices. Level 3. Facial Aesthetics. Max Natural Tan. Enhance your skin complexion by achieving a natural tan through the consumption of foods or supplements rich in beta-carotene. This strategy revolves around the idea of promoting skin radiance from within, emphasizing the intake of nutrients that contribute to a healthy and attractive glow. Instead of relying on external tanning methods, the focus is on incorporating beta-carotene, a precursor to vitamin A, into the diet. Beta-carotene is abundantly found in various fruits and vegetables, imparting a yellow or orange hue to these foods. By consuming these nutrient-rich items or opting for beta-carotene supplements, individuals can nurture a complexion that exudes a natural and appealing radiance. This approach aligns with the belief that beauty emanates from internal wellness, emphasizing the significance of a well-balanced and nutrient-dense diet for achieving vibrant skin. In essence, the recommendation to obtain a natural tan through beta-carotene-rich sources encourages a holistic and nourishing approach to skincare, fostering a radiant complexion that reflects overall health and well-being. Mirroring. Engage in the practice of mirroring as a sustained effort with the potential to improve the definition of the jawline over the long term. Mirroring, in this context, entails a commitment to a gradual and consistent routine aimed at enhancing the contour of the jaw. This deliberate and extended practice implies that visible changes to the jawline may not be immediate, but can be achieved through persistent efforts. The emphasis is on the long-term nature of this endeavor, indicating that results may manifest gradually as part of an ongoing commitment. Mirroring involves adopting specific techniques or exercises that target the muscles around the jaw, contributing to potential improvements in its definition. This approach recognizes that enhancing the jawline is not an instantaneous process, but rather a journey that requires dedication and patience. By incorporating mirroring into a regular routine, individuals can work towards refining the appearance of their jawline, embodying the understanding that certain aesthetic improvements may unfold gradually through consistent and sustained practices. Clear lips. Achieve clear and well-maintained lips by applying products like Aquaphor or Vaseline. This recommendation centers on employing these specific emollients to ensure the clarity and health of the lips. Rather than using complex or elaborate lip care routines, the focus is on the simplicity and effectiveness of these widely recognized products. Utilizing Aquaphor or Vaseline for lip care involves the application of these emollients to keep the lips hydrated, soft, and free from dryness or chapping. The use of these clear and moisturizing substances contributes to the overall appearance of well-maintained and healthy lips. By incorporating Aquaphor or Vaseline into daily lip care, individuals can benefit from a straightforward yet effective approach to lip health. This practice acknowledges the significance of uncomplicated yet reliable solutions for maintaining clear and nourished lips, promoting a practical and accessible method for lip care. In essence, the recommendation encourages a minimalistic and practical approach to lip maintenance, emphasizing the utility of well-known products for achieving and preserving clear and vibrant lips. Fashion. Find a unique style that suits individual preferences and stands out, exploring various styles such as minimal, old money, or edgy. Begin your adventure to appear your best. What measures will you take to carve your own path to personal beauty? Well, that's it for today. Make sure that you like and subscribe to our channel for more amazing videos. Thanks for watching the video. We'll see you at the next one.